Depends if they slow play
Yo.
or if they just go.
Phoenix, can you toggle between the two guys?
Ooh, I can.
No.
Yeah.
On
No.
spectator, you can't if you just click.
Oh no.
No, okay.
Not let me move at all.
I'm gonna Google it. See if there's an option, bro.
No. Well, no. So I just gotta change it to free. I think
Free? Okay.
free. Yeah, I'll do it next round.
Yeah.
We'll keep testing it, but I think there is something.
Free,
For sure.
totally free.
Ooh. Let's switch up in gameplay, bro.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of funky watching it in third person. Can't switch.
See, the thing is, like, Logic knows how Clip plays.
Yep.
He's not used to.
Oh,
He's not used to playing like against for sure.
Snapped on him, bro.
He's trying to
Yeah.
prove something right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's yelling at him. Toggle.
Ooh.
Alright. Clip gotta prove something too, bro. Yeah, he's here. Nigga fighting for his life, bro. He felt robbed.
Yo, but that's how you be feeling, son, when you going in. You know? You're like, yo, hold up, I gotta step my game up, son.
Nigga felt robbed, bro.
Mm.
Ooh.
Who's winning? What's the score?
6-5.
6-5. Logic up.
Oh, how did you not see him?
Tied match.
Remember, it's a lot harder when you don't have the outline, you know? Sometimes you don't see that elbow.
What is these outlines you speak of? Oh.
What?
Whoa.
That's a close
That
one,
was
bro.
sus.
Did you see that jump backwards?
I think Logic will take it, but
Yeah.
it'll be close.
He's turning it on. He's turning it on right now.
He is. Clip will get a little run
Yeah,
too.
Clip got turned on. Yeah, he got turned on.
That was dirty. That was dirty.
Oh, that's dirty.
Ooh, hit markers.
Meet me at the front of the house, bitch.
I like it.
The fuck is that?
He's centering. It's the
What's the
controller
score?
thing.
What score?
11-7. Logic. 11-8. Logic.
You're not in here, Al?
Huh?
You're not in here? You're not watching?
I am, but I'm spectating.
Okay.
I don't see the score.
Oh, okay, okay.
Oh, I do see the score. I see it on the left. Sorry. I gotta look left to see it.
Oh shit, bro. Okay.
Told you.
11-10.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Clip turned it on.
Go, bro. Let's
He
go.
turned
I
it
like that.
on.
Oh.
He did it to him, damn.
Oh. Return the favor.
Yeah. Yo, that's it. This is gonna be hella close.
Yeah, this is the knockout one, bro.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh my god.
13.
That was one bullet.
Ooh. Damn.
Come on, Clip. Come on, Clip. You can do it. He ain't
Ooh, what the
nothing.
fuck?
He
What
ain't
was he?
nothing.
Damn, to the back. Oh, he fell off the map.
Damn. All right.
Alrighty.
15-13.
Good shit.
That was
Logic
close,
wins
bro.
it.
Wow, that was
That was a
close.
good game, guys.
Yo,
That was
Clip,
a
what the
good
fuck was
game.
that bounce? I saw that.
Don't be suspicious.
Look at
Yeah, who busted him?
him. Look at him. He's trying to leave the match out the ring and shit. This ain't WWF.
Damn.
That was
He
close.
gotta jump out the
Yeah, they
ring.
both went on like a
Hey.
5-kill
Yeah.
kill streak. Both.
Hey, but we forgot to ask, what was that whole PP touch at the beginning of one of the matches?
Oh yeah.
That was revert.
That
Revert.
was Revert and fucking Reaper.
Let's touch gloves. We trained on this. We trained on this map.
It's gonna be there, DC. It's gonna be there, DC.